So we're just out the car and we're lost already. Weren't even meant to cross that wee bridge. Back out for a wee overnight camp, and we're heading up to a super secret location because it's got American brook trout, I believe, in it, and it's one of the only locations left in the whole of UK for them. So let's hope I catch a fish this time, eh? I'm getting shown the location by a loch on the wild side, and he's got his wee dog with him as well, Amber. Dogs always make an exciting trip. So weather forecast is rain, cloud and wind, and that's the rain started. A couple of camps ago, got really lucky with the weather, and I'm thinking it's not going to be so great. Dave's got the tarp with him though, so we'll be able to hide under that. So there's the hills ahead. We are camping about 600 metres, so I think we have to kind of walk through those, and it's just down the other side of them. But I'll know more when I get to it. Here we go, just a wee quick video so you can watch me get wetter and wetter and wetter. There's loads of cool wee wisps of clouds coming out of those trees. It's like there's loads of wee fires going on in that forest. It is just clouds, but it's really cool looking. There's Dave from a loch on the wild side up ahead. I'll link his channel up the top just now. We're nearly at the top of the hills, so hopefully get to that loch soon. We are trying to keep this loch a secret, so if you do recognise where we are, please don't put anything in the comments. It's not a guessing game. If you want, you can direct message me, but we're keeping it a secret. It's meant to be full of American brook trout, and they're not indigenous to Scotland, and I think this is one of the wee last lochs in Scotland with them in it. And yeah, can't have everybody coming up to find them. But that's the views starting to open up. Look at this. At least there's no barbed wire. So the winds are very strong, but we've got spinning stuff with us as well, so we should be able to get some fishing done. This just made it, but those waves on that loch are a bit severe. So we're all set up, but it's absolutely pishing it down, and it's blowing a hoolie as well. I'm not going to go over the setup, it's just the normal setup, but I can see myself being in the tent quite quickly. So we had maybe what, 3 casts, and it was just too windy. This is what it's like. Pushing it down 1 second, it's dry the next second. We're just sitting under a tarp, trying to stay dry, trying to stay warm. Still having fun though. Can't beat it. Fresh air, wide open spaces, and cans of beer. All good. This is why I'm a fair weather camper. It has been pushing it down all night. I think we managed, what, 3 casts each? Like, fishing just never started. Sat in the most sheltered area, a wee tiny tarp, but I'm absolutely soaking. And yeah. Everything in the tent soaking now. Love it. Right, I'm going to sleep now. If something happens in the middle of the night, like the tent falls down or I get flooded out, I'll bring you back, but otherwise I'll see you in the morning.
Hey, what are you doing in my tent? This frog is doing my nut in. You'd think it would be able to get out there, but it's jumped into the far side of the tent, and it's just jumping about like mad. It's obviously not able to get out there.
Good morning. It was some night last night. Winds were up to about 35 miles an hour, and it didn't stop raining. I was cosy and comfortable though in the tent. Both tents held up well. Davey's in the Lanshan 2, I'm in the Hilleberg Akto. I had the Rab Solar Eco 1 with me and the Exped Downmat 5 medium. I think we're just going to get packed up though and get out of here because the rain's off for a wee bit just now. Well, it's still on, but it's not as heavy as what it normally is. And this place is slowly becoming a bog. There's that little shit. So that's where we're camping. As you can see, just flat grass. And this was where my tent was. Nice and soggy. It's been raining and it's been wild, but it's still been a good adventure. And that's us from here. I'll see you on the next one.